Mevo Cloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. First, add the official PHP repository to ensure we can install the latest PHP version. Once repository is added, run the next command to update the package list. Now install PHP 8.2 along with the most common extension by running the following command. To check that PHP installed correctly, run the next command. This will display the installed PHP version. Install PHP FPM, which is necessary to process PHP files through nginx. Now install MariaDB, which is our database server. Then access to MariaDB console and execute the following commands. Next, install the nginx, which will serve our website by running next command. Next, move to the following directory and prepare our project with the next command. The compose or create project command downloads the Neos CMS, the base distribution, into a folder command Neos CMS. We then set the correct permission so that nginx can read and write necessary files with the next command. Next, create a new nginx configuration file and add the following configuration into this file. Don't forget to change the server name with your domain name or IP address. Then enable the site by creating a symbolic link and testing the configuration with the next comments. If everything goes well, next we need to configure the database connection for Neos CMS. Run the next commands. Add the following configuration inside the file. After this, we need to initialize database using Neos flow command. Run the next command. Fix permission again for folders that will store generated files. Next, run the database migration with the next command. By using next command, we create an administrator user. You need to insert the username, password. Then, set up the image handling system. Next, initialize the scheduled tasks and check their status with the following comments. The following step is to set up the content repository. Run the next command. And finally, we import demo content for testing purpose. Now you can go into your browser and use your IP address or domain name. You will see the following. You need to log in by user that you have created, and you can start to work with this. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.